So hello student, this is Pawan sir. Welcome to my channel Chemistry Live. This is my first video involving three lesson. The assessment reason question from three lesson, that's solution, electrochemistry and chemical kinetics. I have made three video, and in the second video you will find assessment reason question from DNA block and a coordination compound. And in third video I have included all the organic chapter. So let's get started. As you know, the assessment reason type question has four options, and you know very well about the options. So without any delay, let's get started. So the first question is assertion: molarity is better method to express concentration than molarity. Reason: molarity is defined in terms of mass of solvent and not mass of the solution. So beta, here option will be A, because both are correct and reason is the correct explanation. Next question is soda water bottle are sealed under high pressure. Reason: high pressure increases the solubility of carbon dioxide. Correct, both are correct. The third one is there will be not any change in concentration of ethanol and water mixture containing 85% ethanol by volume on boiling. It is because azeotrope boil at in constant temperature. Now in this case the assertion is totally wrong. So option will be your D, because 95% alcohol and 5% water form your azeotrope. Next is benzene and hexane form ideal solution. Reason: both benzene and hexane are hydrocarbon. True, so both are correct. Fifth question: 1 molar NaCl has higher boiling point than 1 molar urea because this is because NaCl dissociate into ions. Correct. I factor, due to quantum factor it get increases, so the answer will be your A. Next, sixth question is assertion: a raw mango placed in concentrated salt solution loses water, shrivel into pickles. The salt solution is hypotonic. Now here assertion is correct, but reason is wrong statement, because salt solution is always hypertonic, not hypotonic, because pi is direct to C. So the option is your C. Now seventh question: assertion: helium is mixed with nitrogen and oxygen in diving cylinder. Correct. Helium has comparatively low KH value. Now in this case, when it comes to the option is C. Why? Because this is correct, but this is wrong. So option is C. Now come on to your next question, question number 8. In this case, ice containing dissolved sugar will melt at high temperature than pure ice. Dissolved sugar in water lead to depression freezing point. This is totally assertion is totally wrong. Okay, because it decreases the freezing point. So answer of D is D. 8 is D. Ninth assertion: molar mass of acetic acid in benzene calculated using colorimeter is almost double the actual value. The acetic acid dimerized in the solution. Now here both are correct, because on dimerization the I factor become 1 by 2. Now 10th question: assertion: vapor pressure of solution is more than that of pure solvent. The reason is the solute particle occupies certain area of surface of the solution which reduces the amount of vapor. Now when it comes to this question, the answer will be D, because here assertion is totally wrong that vapor pressure of solution is more than pure solvent. Actually vapor pressure of solution is less than pure solvent. Now in question number 11, the assertion: it is possible to make a cell with a pair of same type of half cell. I just want to inform you that here I am starting the question from electrochemistry. Okay, as you can read, and please beta keep a copy and pen with you. Okay, and do note the answer along with, because it is not possible to add the PDF file in the description box, and you don't have the much time, so just do it along with me. Okay, 11th question: it is possible to make a cell with a pair of same type of half cell. Change in concentration varies the electrode potential. Now here both are correct, so option is A. 12, when aqueous sodium chloride solution is electrolyzed, oxygen gas is produced at anode. Reason: it is due to the over potential of oxidation of water to oxygen. So both are correct. So answer is A. Now in this case, assertion: molar quantity of an electrolyte increases with decrease in concentration. The mobility of the ion decreases with increase in concentration. So here the option is A, because both are correct. Okay. Now 14, the electrode potential of standard hydrogen electrode is 0. There is no potential difference at the electrode solution interface in this case. So here the answer option is C, because assertion is correct but reason is wrong. It's saying there is no potential difference. However, there is a potential difference. Okay. Now in 15 question, assertion: reduction of 1 mole of Cu2 plus ion requires 2 Faraday of charge. Reason 1 Farad is equal to the charge of 1 mole of electron. Now here the answer is A, because both are correct, because Cu2 plus gives plus 2 electron gives Cu. According to Faraday's first law, Q equal to Nf, so it involves 2F. Okay, you very well know about this, that Q equal to your Nf. Okay. At the end of the video, I'll show all the answer. So you just take screenshot. Okay. Now next is on 16 question. Now 16 question. Fuel cell are pollution free. Okay. Fuel cell use hydrogen like fuel along with oxygen gas for current production. Now in this case, this is very tricky question. B is the option, means assertion is correct, reason is correct, but reason is not the correct option because it is not produce current, it produces heat. Okay, so keep it in mind. Now go for the 17 question. In 17, Leclanche cell give constant voltage throughout its lifetime. Assertion is totally wrong, so option will be D, because it's a mercury cell which give constant voltage. Now in 18 question, coating iron with zinc prevent rusting. Reason, the coating of zinc prevent moist air to come in contact with the metal. The option is C. Or assertion is correct, but reason is totally wrong. 19. Assertion, more negative ion, the reduction potential greater the power to act as an oxidizing agent. As the electrode potential become more negative, there is a greater tendency to undergo oxidation. Now again beta, in this case the option will be D, because assertion is totally wrong, because more negative means strong reducing agent, not oxidizing agent. Secondary cell are cell which can be recharged after use. The product are electrolyzed back to the initial reactant during the recharge of the cell. Now in this case both are correct. Hydrolysis of methyl ethanoate, this is starting from, the question gets start from the lesson chemical kinetics. Okay, so keep it in mind. Hydrolysis of methyl ethanoate is a pseudo first order reaction. Reason, water is present in large excess and therefore its concentration remain constant throughout the reaction. Now in this case, when it comes to the answer, both are correct, because we know that this is pseudo order reaction. Now this assertion in 22, order of reaction can be 0. Reason, in this case of heterogeneous catalysis. Heterogeneous catalysis means when the reactant and catalyst are in the different phase. Okay, the reaction become independent of the concentration at high concentration of the reaction. So in this case the option will be A, because both are correct. Okay, now come to 23 question. Assertion, the slowest elementary step in a complex reaction decide the rate of reaction. Reason, the slowest elementary step always has the smallest molecularity. Now in this case the correct answer will be C. Why? Because assertion is correct but reason is wrong. Slow step has the smallest molecularity, this is not always. Okay, now 24, assertion, a catalyst increases the rate of reaction. Reason, the catalyst increase activation energy. Now in this case, if you see the options, assertion statement is correct but reason is totally wrong, so C. Why? Because catalyst lower the activation energy and therefore fasten up the reaction. Next, 25th, assertion, activation complex for the forward reaction will have lower energy than that for the backward reaction in an exothermic reaction. So the reason is reactant have greater energy than product of an exothermic process. So in this case the assertion is totally wrong but reason is correct. Assertion 26, increase in temperature increase the rate of reaction. More colliding molecule will have energy greater than the threshold energy. Now when come to 26, it is totally correct, because number of effective collision will get increased. Assertion, unit of rate constant is independent of the order of the reaction. Okay, now unit of rate constant is independent of the reaction, this is wrong, so D. Assertion is wrong, then option will be D. Okay, blindly you can put D if assertion is wrong. Now assertion, increase in concentration of reactant will not change the rate for a zero order reaction. Rate constant for a zero order reaction is constant for a particular initial concentration. Both are correct but this is not the correct explanation. Okay, now assertion, the half-life of a reaction is independent of the initial concentration of a first order reaction. Reason, the integrated rate law for a first order reaction is independent of the initial concentration. Now here assertion is totally correct but reason is totally false statement. Last not the least, assertion, half-life of a reaction can be used to predict order of the reaction. Reason, the relationship between half-life and initial concentration of the reactant is dependent on order. Totally correct. Okay, now let me show you the answer. Now these are the answer. You can take the screenshot of these answer. Okay, now pause and take the screenshot. Now these are some questions from my side which are very important. All the best and do well in your board exam. Study hard, beta.